everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the viral action figure trend part 2. This time we are making a picture where the person is actually holding their own action figure. It's super fun and really easy using Gemini brand new Nano Banana tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini on your browser and then just log in with your Google account. And then just tap on create image. This one. This tool is powered by Nano Banana, the new feature that lets you edit images instantly with just a prompt. Next, just upload the photo. You can use a simple picture of yourself, standing or just sitting. It's up to you. Just tap on plus button and then just upload your photo like this. And then now comes the fun part. Just type a prompt. But before I already made my prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt or you can customize it however you like. You can just tweak your prompt as you like. But the key is to describe exactly that you want to the persons holding their own actions figure. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it in the prompts box like this and then just hit generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. It created a super cool photo where I'm holding a tiny action figure of myself. How awesome is that? It looks like a collectible toy, but it's actually just AI editing. And okay, that's it. Super quick and easy. You can just try with different photos with different pose and props for your action figure. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.